So, I want to fix the white noise of my headphones here. And in order to do this, we first need to take off the, first time I'm doing this, like this one. You see this, there's an edge here. You can do it with your finger, you don't need any tools. You just basically take your finger in here, yeah, like this, and then you clip it off like this. So now it's off. So the second thing we do, you see the screws here. We have 4 screws, and these ones, and we have to take them off. So I will disassemble this quickly. You can use everything that you use for, let's say, a watch. Also, I have like this small thing here, what I use for a watch. So let's try this. I read this online on iFixit. So somebody said that they have a lot of white noise on the left earphone, and I have the same problem. So unfortunately, this is really, yeah, I don't want to say a bad product, because I don't think it's worse than the other companies doing it. But if you want to buy a new headphones, definitely go for a Bose headphone. They are just, even the second-hand ones, which are very old, usually even have better noise cancelling, especially in the airplane, and they don't have this, yeah, software problems or hardware problems in this case that obviously this has. So now I'm trying to open this. You can see it. I already dragged it out. Let's see. So I have here a bunch of different cables. Now I need to figure out which ones the ones they want me to actually cut. So I will check on iFixit. They say, why do I have static noise? I'm Googling this right now. And the guy says, hi, I found a solution for the annoying problems. My headphones were also producing white noise and the noise cancellation was working terribly. I bought mine second hand, like me. So a simple solution, you need to take apart the left speaker, which I did, 4 small screws. You will see 2 yellow ribbon cables there. You have to cut those 2 yellow ribbon cable. So I'm not sure what is the yellow ribbon cable inside here. 2 yellow ribbon cable. This is hard to say. I don't want to cut the wrong ones. So let me Google, because my English is not yellow ribbon. Okay, yellow ribbon cable looks like that. I mean, it's hard to say which ones are the yellow ribbon cables here in mine. I mean, I just see one type of ribbon cable. So maybe I just detach this from here without actually cutting it. Let's see if I can do this. It looks like this one is quite strong. I mean, this one is not a ribbon cable. I mean, I only see one ribbon cable, to be honest. So I will basically give it a try. Okay, I detached it. So I didn't actually need to cut it, as you can see here. And obviously it will be hard to, like, can you see it? Yeah, this one. So I think this is a yellow ribbon cable. I didn't see another one. So I just detached this, and I will put this thing back together and see if it's still working. Oh, I hear, I need to be careful how this was attached. I guess like this one. So this all looks good, and we're putting it back together. zack, zack. This one also looks fine. And let's close the screws. 1, 2. Maybe I should test it first before I put it together, but we are just confident that this was the right thing to do. Nice that I didn't need to actually cut anything like they suggested it on iFixit. I will also post a link where multiple people report the same problem. And it has most likely to do with some sort of noise, wind cancellation, like some sensors. I also bought these white ones, which I definitely not suggest to do. You can see they are getting quite dirty. I will also change them very soon. And especially when you don't carry them in a case. And then we clip this back in how it was. Make sure you hear the click everywhere. I heard the clicking is very important because otherwise your noise cancelling will not work properly because it's not inside. So now let's test if I can actually turn them on. Okay, they turned on. It said connected. So now the question is my noise cancelling working or not? And let me listen to something. Okay, first good news is left and right works perfect. So both sides work as expected. I will now disconnect my screen and also disconnect. You can see also the microphone is working because now the sound changed. Yeah, so the microphone seems to be working. I will disconnect them from my laptop.